So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's see what message do we have for today. What do we have coming in for next couple of weeks? Any insight, any guidance? Pentacles. We have Queen of Pentacles. I did see King of Pentacles as well while shuffling the cards. We have King of Swords. We have Hanged Man. We have the Emperor energy. I'm getting a lot of reevaluation in your plan, which is happening at the moment. The course of action, the plan, the ambition that you had for yourself in the beginning, it could be regarding your overall life, it could be regarding your career. You're in that state where you have come thus far. However, there is some influential energy, and it it's not necessarily bad. It just how you outgrow certain things in life, right? So I'm just sensing that you guys have outgrown place, people, situation, habits, belief systems in your life, and somewhere there is this energy. I'm also getting the word tweak, to change, to do little, to shuffle up something in that path, in that course of life that you've decided for yourself. It's taking, for some of you, it's also taking a lot longer than you thought it's gonna take. And not to confuse you with outgrowing it, it's not to be confused with the length of time, the amount of time it's taking. It's not about that. It's mainly the reiteration is mainly on the fact that you're outgrowing. So this halt, this little bit delay, this detour is actually happening because you are supposed to slow down and you're supposed to reevaluate. Also also acknowledge and appreciate yourself for how far you have come, because with king energy heading to the emperor energy, I see that you've achieved a lot already, so do not underestimate yourself. And also pay attention on the skills that you have learned in this journey so far, and it's going to be helpful even if you at this moment, if you decide at this stage, if you decide to give up this path that you had decided for yourself, whether it was your own decision, whether it was your family's decision, community's influence in taking that decision consciously, unconsciously, remember, you are a renewed person. You are a product of all the experiences that you've had, and you have definitely learned a lot of skills. So, do this practice. Take down a piece of paper and write down the skills, 3 skills, 5 skills, 10 skills that you have learned throughout this period when you were on this path, right? And you can still continue, right? This is just a self-reflective stage. You could just not be feeling with this, you could just not be feeling satisfied with where you are at, but this is mainly calling for a little detour, a little reflection that needs to happen. In fact, a shift in perspective as well. I'm also getting some lessons that you have learned which needs to be cultivated. You cannot just learn the lessons and park them on the side. You need to implement, you need to learn the way to implement those lessons in your life moving forward. Okay. Success is yours. That is definitive. If you have made up your mind, Your intentions are right, your actions are in the right direction, success is yours. We do have emperor energy, right? And you have come so far. So big kudos to you on that front. We just need a little bit of shake up. This can also be in terms of you taking a break and then coming back and joining your journey. You can take a break. I'm also getting setting some boundaries. Uh, Setting some boundaries and also taking care of your emotional health. I do not see any cups card, but I'm sensing the energy. There is some need of emotional regulation or just replenish your emotional cup. You have worked yourself up, you need a break. And along with this break, you need to do some self reflection as well. Because at the end of the day, you need to feel fulfilled, you need to feel the sense of accomplishment. It's not only about harboring or gathering the material resources in life, because that clearly is not making you very happy. It's not that you've not achieved it. And I think the part of reflection that you need to do over here is actually about that you thought that okay, I will achieve so things, so many things, and I will be happy. But actually the source of happiness and contentment should be from within. It should be flowing from within, from your heart. Right. So there's something about, I think that belief system also needs to be clarified that, oh, happiness will follow once I have, and now you have things, you have resources, you have all the materialistic things that you once wanted. You have it, and there's still some worn out feelings. It's like you're tired and you're not in that stage to enjoy the possession of all those materialistic things, right? So try to look at things differently. It's not that things have gone for waste. I am also feeling that you guys are so worn out, you guys are so done. I'm also hearing done, done for life, done with everything. This is a period of slowdown. This is a period of reflection. This is a period of shifting gradually. We are not rushing. Life is not about rushing. Just gradually implementing, first of all, realizing the changes, the core belief systems that you need to change, and regularly infusing them in your life day by day with little practices. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of page energy as well. And this is by no way, this is sort of a demotion from energies of kings and queens and being extremely responsible to. It's little bit like for me, because king and queen are responsible for so many things. It's just about letting go and relaxing a little bit. It's about balancing uh, kid like or youth like energy along with being responsible whenever the need be. Okay. There's a lot of mental anguish. There's a need to clear the mental anguish as well. So take some time off, do some reassessment, and there is a possibility, there's a chance that you will come up with answers. You're definitely going to come up with answers. The reason that you're sort of worn out and still trying to figure out the answers and it's not clicking with you, it's just not clicking in the same ways, in the same manner that it used to, is what's creating more anxiety, more mental anguish. So you need to know that sometimes you need to come out of that situation, that space, that environment, because your environment also influences a lot. And if a redirection is needed, if a detour is needed, if a different course of action in the same path, in the same journey is needed, or a complete change of events need to happen, complete change of direction, change of path needs to happen, you need to take a break. You need to pull yourself out of that environment, because the environment which is creating a mental anguish cannot help you come out of mental anguish at the same time. That's not possible. And I see a lot of controlling energy from your end. So you need to let go of control. You need to, and you deserve it. It's not that you didn't do it, you didn't achieve it. You've come so far, and you are where you wanted to be, or at least you are at a better place than you thought you would be. If you think that you're not 100% there, then I can see at least you're 80-85% there. So you take some time off, enjoy, do some reflection. That's all we have for today. Thank you so much.